Hi guys, I welcome all of you in this video once again. And in this video, guys, I just tried to collect information about, or I'm just trying to share how to configure policy for application control and device control. And one more thing, live update policy and integration policy. So the thing is very simple here in Symantec Endpoint Protection Manager. uh, we can block or we can control certain devices applications, and we can configure live update how server will get updated, or how the client will get updated. So I'm sure this video is gonna helpful for you. If it is helpful for you guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, comment on this video, share this video, and like this video. So guys, I will be covering three things. One is application, second one is device, and live update 4, as well as this integration policy. So let me begin with this here. First of all, we need to go to our console. So this is my console of Symantec Endpoint Protection Manager. Now we need to go to policy here, and here in this policy I have already shared couple of videos about virus and spyware protection, firewall. Yesterday I uploaded one or two videos, and about this 4 or 5 videos. Now I'm talking about, I've done this intrusion prevention also. Now I'm talking about application and device control. So guys, and this live update, and I've covered this host integrity as well. So today, just application and control device, live update, and integrations. So if I go to, I'm talking about first of all application and device control. So guys, by name itself it is showing what is the meaning of this policy or how we can use. So as you can see here, as of now there are three policies created. So first of all, if you see on the top, application and device control policy. So this is what this Symantec Endpoint Protection Manager has created at the time of installation. So it is a by default, and as you can see it is enabled. Okay, and if you go to application control, and as you can see here this side, you are seeing this Windows setting and Mac setting. In that, one is application control, second one is device control. So if you click to application control, you will get this much information. So you have the option to block this many things from here. How to do it I will show you. And the next one is device control. Device control means what? You can block some devices, or you can allow certain devices. So if you see this interface here, blocked devices, it will show you blocked devices, devices excluded from blocking. So these options give you facility or service to exclude certain devices. So I will show you how to do it, and this is for Mac system once again. So this is by default created. Now I have created one policy for my protection. Okay, this is use USB blocked. So I will be showing you here only, or if you need to create new one, you can add here. Okay, and you can assign name, and whatever you want to configure, you can configure from here. Device control. So as of now nothing is there, so I will show you how to do it. So first of all, I will show you what I have done for my requirement. So guys, this is a policy. Okay, this is one is name, and now application control. So as you can see, I required 4 5 settings here. First one is block access to auto run, or spam control policy, spam attachment control policy, library file restrictions. For example, any spam is coming in your mail, then it should scan that email. Spam attachment, if any spam is coming from mail through attachment, like that. So we can run certain scripts here to uh, scan those files. I will show you how to do it. I will share all those scripts with you guys so that you can implement. And similarly here, device control. So as you can see guys here, device blocked devices. So these are the blocked devices I have done here, and I excluded couple of, like Canon printer I have excluded printing devices, and I excluded couple of headsets because I need to use those things. So this Symantec should not block. How to do it I will show you. So just I'm telling you the basic things here, how we can add here. So this is what I have done. If you want, you can see this one is allowed. So uh, here we can just add and delete this existing So now if you want guys, I will show you the new one. Okay, let me go back to this option, and here we will create, I'm creating new policy. So I got option once again, application and device control. So as of now nothing is there. Okay, here we'll create three down and one policy here. So if you want application control, okay, so I will show you one PPT. I've taken application control here. So I'm just putting this one script inside blocked auto run. Auto run should not block if I'm connecting any pen drive, or I have certain this thing pen drive or certain thing which has the auto run, something like that. So it should not run automatically, so it will come block access to auto run dot inf. So these are the script we need to add in that particular policy. How to do it I will show you. Okay, so let me go to server once again. So guys, this is a policy where you have to get where we have to go, and you can click edit. Okay, go to edit. Now it is already added here, so we can remove, or if we have more, we can add here. We just need to paste here. Okay, and okay, nothing much to do here. So I'm not adding here anything because already added. Now I'm just going back, cancelling it. I'm going for uh, I will create here. Okay, as of now I can't see anything like a spam and all. So what we can do, we can create. So let me add here, and I can give name like what. Let me just minimize it. Okay, and go to PPT. So this one is added, I showed you. Let me move to next one, spam control policy. Okay, so this is a script what we need to add here. So what I need to do here, I will just take copy paste from here. Okay, because I don't want to type this much, it takes time. So now let me go to my server, and here, so this enable this rule. So basically inside this we need to create one rule basically, huh? So now if you click add and paste here, oh this, sorry, I pasted wrong. So here we can give name. Okay, or here let me give name here, and we have to put those scripts here. Oh, I have not copied that one. Let me copy. Edit this one, we can copy from here itself. So I'm going this one, and spam control. Okay, enable this rule. I can just select and copy and go back, and where I was doing it, I was adding new one here, application control, and add here. So I'm just giving spam, that's it. Okay, control. Now we need to add here that one, paste here. It is not getting copied from there, so let me take it from this one. Again I'm not able to copy paste from there. Guys, we need to this is not a single one. We need to copy this much script here like this, and we will have to put one by one. Okay, so let me just reduce the font so that I can taking 8. Okay, so we need to put like this and paste one by one, copy paste from here. It is not a single script. In certain cases we need to enter like this, and this is the place where we have to paste it like this. Just do it. Okay, once again the second one. So I'm just sharing the same, or I will be uploading this document what I'm using here on the description, so you can download all the scripts and use for your production. So like this you need to add all the scripts here. This is what for spam, okay, and click OK. So one policy you have configured here. If any spam comes, then it will be detected, or it will be scanned by your Symantec endpoint protection. Now next thing guys, next rule is like what you can do here. Okay, so just moving. So guys, you have to do one by one all. Next one is spam attachment. If any spam is coming through attachment, then you have to use, these are the scripts you can run. So let me just go out of this, and again I will have to copy. Okay, so let me go to this server, and one more ppt, or this text file. Again I need to paste here, and copy first one, and go to Symantec endpoint protection, and here add. So you will have to add one by one all the scripts like this, and you can create, oh, I've missed to just give name properly. Okay, spam attachment, like this. You can give whatever you want, and you can add the rest of the script also. Now I'm adding one more sc script here. This is library file restriction, for example. So you just need to copy this much from here, and let me try to add here. I'm putting live only, and this one add here. So we have created four policies in this already added, and for three we have done like this. So this is called your application control. Okay, rest of you can do it as of you required, as per your requirement. And now I'm talking about this one, device control. So guys, as you can see here, blocked devices. So add, click on add. Okay, now you can select here which device you want to block. So for example, if you want to block USB, if you select this USB, then it will block entire USB. You will be able to use like hard disk, or any USB device, headphone and all. So in that, what you have to do, you will have to, for example, I'm telling you SCSI. Okay, um you gave SCSI, you added here. So SCSI will be blocked completely, you will not be able to access anywhere. Now if you want certain devices to be excluded, like I'm telling you USB headphones, so what we need to do, mic, joysticks and all, so you just need to put that in excluded list here, or you will have to create certain things like I will show you here. If you go to click OK, and this policy is not assigned here anywhere, so you can go to hardware devices and add here. For example, I will show you. If you have any new device, then you just need to right click here. Okay, and you will see like add option, like USB. Okay, where is that USB? Like this, add. If you click, you can add that particular device here. You will have to give device name, like I'm just giving test, and you will have to assign class ID or device ID. How you will find class ID and device ID? You can go to uh, control panel, or this thing, manage. From there you can find it easily. So I clicked or not. From device manager you can find. From here, diagnose. Just taking a bit time. Okay, like device manager you can go, or from other places also, like you go to property of computer and all, you can find it from. So I'm talking about here USB. Okay, so this is the USB what I'm talking about. For example, if you want to exclude, then just go to property of this, and you can find here drivers details. So here you can choose this whatever is required, like device class and this GUID device class. Okay, and certain things you can take from here. So this is how we can exclude certain devices from this policy. So I'm not adding anything here, okay, because I have already done here. I will just show you. If I go to this, and this is my working one, so I will edit it and show you. So this is what I have excluded, like this headset. This headset should work for me. So if I I can't do much thing from here. I can just delete it. So this is a UID what we need to do, device ID or class ID. I have taken from here and added here. It is reflecting. Okay. So this is what we can do, guys. How to block USB and all, and how to exclude and how to put certain things like application control and all. So this is I just tried to share with you guys. Now I'm moving to live update. So one more thing, guys, you created one I will show you. You created this policy, okay, just now. And let me go to this one application. And okay, we have created, so it should be assigned to somewhere, then only it will work. So where you have to assign, so if you click on this, you will get option assign. You need to assign this, then only it will work. So you will get the groups where all the computers are situated or stored, so that you can assign it and that policy will be applied. I will show you the same which I'm talking about. This one I have applied. So before that I will talk about live updates. Okay, so in live update, guys, this was created automatically. If you go to this option live update setting, okay, and live update content, so two options you are getting here. If you go to edit, created automatically. Now server setting, you can make certain settings here. How it will get updates your server will, how your server will be getting updates. So use the default management server or use live update server. Use the default Symantec live update server. So you should select this one, so you do not need to do anything. If you have use the Symantec live update server for pre-released content, or use a specific internal server. If you have internal, and then you can add here, right? But we should go for default only, so that it will take from internet. Group update provider, you can manage here. Use the group update providers and third party management. So that is not required if you are using use the default management server. Next thing, guys, you can schedule. You can schedule, enable live update scheduling, at what time it should get updated. So I have set for daily 1955, so it will be taking all the updates from internet. And retry, you can define from here. Okay, and download randomization options. So these are just additional things you can whether if you want you can select, or if you don't want to you can skip. Options for skipping live updates, so you can just select these options if required. Live update run only if virus and spyware definitions are older. So the existing configuration or the definitions are old, then then only your live update should run, like that we can define from here. Next thing, guys, advanced setting. Okay, use settings, allow the user to manually launch live update. So uh, manually we can launch live update, like I will show you here. If you go to, I think I have disabled here this one. Okay, I will show you once it is detected here. So it will come, I will show you. So we can select here. So I'm not talking about Mac and all here, this Windows I'm going for that. Now so these are the basic things what we have available in this. Now if we go back to live update content, what should it what should be the contents to be downloaded through this live update. So once again you can go to edit and select what you want. Windows security definitions, so you have these many options available here. Virus and spyware definitions, use latest available. Okay, sonar and intrusion prevention signature, submission control signature, reputation settings. So these are the things what we have available. WSS traffic redirection, I will tell you about this in coming videos. What is this? This is web security service. Basically it is a proxy. Okay, so we can select what we want. Select a version, we can take from here. If you go to this one, this option, so you can select a version what you want to be downloaded here, like this. So I'm not I'm going with latest one only. And we can select engine also, select an engine version from here, edit, you can go, and like this. Okay, so these are the live update settings we have available in advance. So I'm not making any change here because I required all those things. So guys, this is what we have in live update. Now I'm moving to exceptions, okay, or integration. I think integration I have let me see, integration only. So I was talking about this WSS just now. Integration is what WSS, the full form of WSS, Web Security Services. So what does it mean? WSS, traffic redirection, uses web security service, okay, to provide secure proxy setting for your web browsers. For example, you can read this on Google also. So basically, it is a kind of proxy. If you are accessing anything, then you will be more secure. Your communication will be more secure with web browser. So I have not enabled it because it is not required for me. For that, I will have to provide a URL and also I have not enabled it. But if you want, you can enable it and install the certificate. We would require certificate. Okay, so I don't have that kind of thing, so I'm not enabled this. So guys, this is what I just tried to bring in this video, and I will show you how to assign that policy what we have created. For example, I created this policy, okay, just now, whatever we have discussed, this one. Now we have to assign this policy. So I go to, either I can select this assign and then I will have to select like this, but other options what I have, I go to policies, okay, or I go to clients where my client's computer will come. So these are the clients I have here on default, certain clients, or like this what I have created here, like this. So policy, if I click to policy, I can see which policy is applied. Okay, for example, virus and spyware protections. So I have not this balanced one is enabled here, which is by default, and for firewall policy, which is default. Okay, intrusion preventions, once again it is default only. Let me little bit increase the brightness. I think it is not coming clear. Now it's okay, I believe. So guys, this intrusion prevention policy by default created is applied, but I had created, I told you, one USB block policy, which is application and device control. So I have applied this. Okay, now next one is live update. This one is also by default created. For example, now if I want to apply or run that what we have just now created, then what we will have to do, we will have to go to this option here, or you can go back to policies and this one, just right click and assign and select where you want to assign. So you can select like TBS. Okay, I'm selecting this, not I'm taking this one and clicked assign, select one. I think it is not taking, it is generated something like that. So I'm selecting default only and assign. So yes, you need to click. So if you go to clients now and see, as you can see here, that policy what we have created is applied. So as you can see here, this new application policy applied and that USB is gone, but I want that USB, I don't want this policy. I'm just telling you, if you remove this, then you can apply one by one. Okay, but I need that old one only. So proceed and let me go back to policy, this one. Okay, assign, this is the one I want as it is. So this is how we can configure and I mean assign that policy to particular group, or where we want to which policy we want to use. Okay, now let me delete that policy because I don't require that. So guys, this much information I tried to collect in this video, and I hope this video is gonna helpful for you. If you have any query, you can send me through comments, but don't forget to subscribe my channel, comment on this video and share this video. And next video I will be talking about like uh, how to back up server or how to restore it and couple of things. So guys, till then, bye bye.